May I request Ma'am Sanoy to do the honor.
Ma'am Kimi
to give
Sanoy
the
and Sir
award.
Harold James to the honors and presenting the award for our Best in Ecological Costume.
And our best in an ecological costume is candidate number
Candidate number 1! Purok Kayumito, Ninia Marie Galiosa, presenting the award is Miss Kimi Sanoy and of course Harold James Flores. Ken. The next award is...
The next award to be given is the Best in Festival Costume. Bugho Anons, our Best in Festival Costume is...
To present the award is Mr. Delfino and Jadel Pat.
Who do you think will be our Best in Festival Costume? Our Best in Festival Costume is candidate number...
Candidate number 3, Purok Sambat.
We're gonna dance to the beat of Sinulog. We're gonna shout to the world. It's Sinulog.
We would like also to thank our board of tabulators, the Bugho Integrated School teachers. On the go.
Daghang
Always on
salamat
the go.
to Bugho Integrated School.
Mga gwapa kayo.
Our
Sama ni Ma'am
tabulation
Irene nila ni
committee.
Sir. Mga gwapo o gwapa. Bugho Integrated School teachers. Thank you so much. The next award is...
Our last award to be given is the Best in Solo Performance. The award will be given by Honorable Mario Timblor.
And our best in solo performance is...
Best in Solo Performance is candidate number... Candidate number 3!
Purok Samba.
We're gonna dance to the beat of Sinulog. We're gonna shout to the world. It's Sinulog. Come on, let's celebrate. Sinulog.
Once again, congratulations, candidate number 3. Our Best in Solo Performance.
We are done with the Festival Queens. And here we go. Right here are the winners of our showdown. Let's